Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to change voice on Discord Mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, to enhance your voice on Discord using voice modification tools, start by opening the App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play if you're using an Android device. Search for Voice Mod Clips in the search bar and download the latest version available. After the installation completes, open the VoiceMod app on your mobile device to begin setting up your profile. This app offers a variety of filters for modifying both voices and videos, allowing you to explore and choose different effects to suit your preferences. Next, open the Discord app on your mobile phone. Navigate to the settings menu by tapping on the cogwheel icon located near your username and avatar. Once in the settings, select the voice and video option. Here you need to configure the input and output devices. Under the input device section, select voice mod to ensure that the app will modify your voice. For the output device, choose your headset or preferred audio output. With these settings in place, your voice will now be filtered through the VoiceMod app whenever you communicate on Discord. This setup allows you to utilize the voice effects provided by VoiceMod, adding a fun and dynamic element to your interactions. So that's basically how to change voice on Discord Mobile. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.